Happy Independence Day, USA! Happy Independence Day to all Americans. This year, I'm not COVID-19. There's no fireworks event at the place where I'm at now. Usually every year they have fireworks event, but unfortunately, avoid the COVID-19. There's no fireworks event, but sure you can hear the fireworks in my background. Yes, that's in my neighborhood, all over my neighborhood. Some of my neighbors, they're having fireworks. So yeah, it feels like when you're in the Philippines during New Year's Eve. Oh my goodness, it feels like I'm in the Philippines during New Year's Eve. Fireworks everywhere in my neighborhood. The sound and the smell, so it brings back memories. And every time during New Year's Eve in the Philippines, now I miss that New Year's Eve in the Philippines. You can hear, so I'm gonna share to all of you mga best the fireworks in my neighborhood. You can see the celebration of their Independence Day. Happy 4th of July to all of you Americans. Happy 4th of July, USA! I hope you enjoy watching.
It's so cool. Look. Fireworks. The ah! Ah! Seriously, why do you have to set it off? So cool. Yeah, I am. Look. Behind you. Whoa. Those are some intense firecrackers. Whoa. Wow. getting really foggy. Or smoky. The air is getting really smoky.